Good morning, good morning. I'm just doing I'm quoting intermodal lanes right now, just quoting freight. Let me see if I can show y'all. Just quoting intermodal freight right now. I just gotta. I'm not playing any music or anything because I'm just not sure how all of that works on live. I don't want it to take the broadcast down. Good morning, good morning. Pick up. Okay, this is Dallas. Good morning. Intermodal rates. Y'all got some questions about freight, intermodal, dispatching. Good morning, cousin. I'm just bidding this morning. I want y'all to see how detailed some of these quotes are. You see that? They're telling you you're going to pick up from the port, drop off in Louisville. You're going to pick back up from the port. It's telling you the weight, the size of the container, what's in the container. It's going to be used auto engines. They said they will pay for the chassis, and to provide your rate for single way or round trip. Now that part, it should just be round trip. So, I don't know why they're saying single way or round. Oh, for single way and round trip. Okay, I didn't read that all the way. But of course, we're doing round trip. It's a drop and hook. That's why. But still, we want a round trip, of course. All right, y'all. So, I wanted to come on and talk to y'all about freight rates possibly going up soon. And that's a big possible. I wanted to also discuss some of the things that's been going on in the industry with intermodal. So loads have been getting deferred or delayed, and things of that nature. And it's because of, I think they're called the Yemen. There is like a war or some kind of attack going on with ocean freight right now. So the ships are having to be rerouted a different route in order to make it safely to the U.S. So I kind of made a little map here. I'm gonna show y'all this map. All right, so in blue, this is the normal route. So from Asia, China, this is the route that they would take to go through the Red Sea in order to come across and come to America, right? So that's the shortest and best route that they have been taking. But because here in the Red Sea, there is this, let's just say, kind of like pirate situation going on where they're attacking the ships, they have now chosen to reroute the ships this way to come to the U.S. Okay. And then I should have, let's see if I can make you guys show you guys another example here. So through here is the route through the Panama Canal, but there is a drought here because of there's some type of weather conditions going on here, which is causing a drought here in the Panama Canal. So it's gonna be hard for the ships to even get to the West Coast. So in that case, what they're doing is they're trying to send ships over this way to then come this way to go to the West Coast. Okay, so what that's going to mean is there's going to be an influx of freight coming very soon. So what I want to let dispatchers know, truck drivers know, is to start aggressively bidding again. What I mean by that is start putting all of your charges in there. I know they've been asking for all-in rates. Put all of your charges in there. If they ask you for an all-in rate, just go ahead. You can, do a separate bid and, go ahead and give them the all-in rate from what they're asking for. But be aggressive with that. Of course, we're all trying to get the freight. We want to move. We want to get the yes, but these rates are going to go up because if you remember back in 2021, 22, over here there were ships all in the Pacific Ocean that could not dock in California because of like a traffic jam. I truly believe that that's going to happen again because all of the ships that were trying to go this way are now having to go the longer way around. But I just believe that there's going to be an influx of freight, and my freight that I had has been postponed for last week and the week before, which I've been told that freight is going to be available within the second week of February, and that was probably over between 10 and 15 containers. So I truly believe that there's going to be an influx of freight coming up here within the early months of February. So guys, start aggressively. Yes, and things of that nature are going to start. That's going to probably be a hike in prices again. Unfortunately, because of this reroutement, that means more fuel. That means more miles and things like that for the ocean freight to get to us here in the United States. But as you know, there's always a pro and there's a con. But as